Hi all, today's clip has 2 points. The importance of checking your mirrors before speeding up, and why speeding doesn't necessarily get you there quicker. As I crossed from a 40 to a 50, I checked my mirror just before speeding up. This allowed me to remain slow, to allow the car to overtake quickly, and to move back over into the left lane as early as possible. The overtake itself I actually don't have a problem with. I thought it was executed pretty well. By this point, I have been doing 50 for a while, and look at the distance between myself and the car in front. It's gradually getting further and further, showing it's not doing the speed limit. I am now speeding the clip up because my next point doesn't come until about 5 minutes later. Notice how the speed limit on this road varies. It's important to look ahead and make sure that you're reducing the speed in good time to make sure you're not over by the time you reach the gate. Rule 124 of the Highway Code states you must not exceed the maximum speed limits for the road and for your vehicle. This means that on top of the increased risk that you pose on the road, it can also come with a fine and points on your license. And here, in the lane next to us, is the car that overtook us earlier. Although the car isn't necessarily speeding now, for 60 miles an hour, it is definitely tailgating the van ahead. As this highlighted car wasn't sticking to the limit earlier, it's quite safe to say it wasn't sticking to it at other points through this journey. And yet, we've caught up, and at the end, ended up in front. Just think, speeding doesn't always get you there faster. So, is it really worth it? Drive safely, legally, and get there in one piece. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. And thank you for watching.